Welcome. Many IT companies proudly display their ISO 9001 certificate, but they still struggle with delays, defects, and unhappy customers. So today's question is simple. If ISO 9001 is powerful, why does quality still fail? More importantly, is ISO the problem or how we implement it? As an internal auditor, I have walked into projects where everything looked perfect on paper. Procedures were updated, checklists were filled, records were neatly stored. But when I asked the team why they follow a particular process, they had no answer. That's when you realize ISO is present, but quality is not. ISO 9001 was never meant to be a documentation exercise. It was designed to answer three basic questions. First, do you understand your business context? Second, are your process actually controlled? And third, are you learning from mistakes and improving? If these three things are not happening, ISO becomes a certificate and not a system. In most companies, ISO fails because it is implemented for audits and not for work. Ownership is pushed to the quality team alone. Leadership sees ISO as a compliance and not as a strategy. And let me tell you, auditors can detect this within the first 30 minutes, not from documents, but from purely the conversations that we have with the auditees. ISO 9001 is built on a simple idea: say what you do what you say, and improve what you do. Every clause, from clause number 4 to clause number 10, exists to support this cycle. And in this playlist, we will break down each clause with real IT and service examples and not textbook language. Well, this series is for quality professionals, project delivery managers, internal auditors, and anyone preparing for ISO audits. If you have ever felt confused, pressured, or frustrated with ISO, you are in the right place. In the next video, we'll start with clause number 4, that is context of the organization. And I'll show you why this is the most ignored yet most powerful clause in ISO 9001. Subscribe if you want to understand quality clearly without fear or jargon.